所以我们这边黄色的是零线啊，那另外3根是火线。
One is neutral, 3 is fire. Connect the wire. And connect the compressed air.
先接完看一下电机是不是反的吧。
Turn on the machine.
对的。
To see whether the rotation is right or wrong.
再开起来。
And start the machine.
打到手动。
This is Chinese. 你看，你要操作英语的。This is English. 然后选哪一个？选4。
下一个。再下一个。
你要选
上头镜。
上头镜啊。Expanding head forward 7。
然后把没系好的踏板，先注意一下这个宽度对不对？把这个踏板放上面，把帐子打进来。现在控制的就是你的手宽度。
Here can adjust the width. Put a run on the machine and the 7 expanding head forward to make sure the round. Yeah, if the size is not correct, loosen the width, loosen the screws. 现在干嘛？现在是对的是吧？
手宽度现在不对的。
Now the width is not right.
把这个手面往前调。
Adjust the hand wheel.
没踏板这样的动，但左右不能动。
Make sure the runs not shake.
然后就把这里锁紧。
Then fasten the screws. 铆接这里要调吗？
要调。
然后就退出来了，好像。按接。
这个状态就把帐头伸出来。这样。这里能动，但是左右看不了。
So here now the size is 183，对不对？183。这个东西的尺寸量一下。这个的尺寸。
367。
Now the tube is 367. So the size here is half, and here also half. From here it's 183. And we had adjusted the size here also to be 183. Now the size adjust well. Then release. Take it. 你现在在干嘛？ When we make the ladder without hinge, like this, without hinge, we choose mode 3, expand and rivet fix. When we make the machine with the hinge, then we choose mode 4, expand and rivet movable. Now we test it without hinge, so we choose mode 3. Okay? Then automatic.
那就开始做了是吧？
Now this is without hinge, so we choose mode 3.
还有个步数设置要设置。
Now current step is 12. Now this ladder is 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 run. So we should insert here to be 4. 可以吧？Okay. Press the foot pedal. Now, 等一下你挡到了。Now the rivet is not very good, so we adjust here. 你挪一下。
下面有个螺丝，要把螺丝。
Now the rivet is not very good. We adjust it. Here has a screw. Loosen a little bit. 然后把这个。
逆时针往外面拧。
Yeah, anti-clockwise.
两边都要拧。
And in both sides. 这个也不太好吗？ This is not very good. So here in this side, loosen the screws and anti-clock. Rotate a little bit. Okay, we make it again. 好了，现在可以了啊。OK，the next step，那开始第二个吧。你还要磨一下吗？